Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the delete key is not working in GIMP. This problem is very common, especially for beginners, so let's fix it step by step. Here I have a random image opened in GIMP. I'll select a portion of the image using the rectangle select tool. Now, I press the delete key on my keyboard, and as you can see, nothing happens. The selected area is not removed. To fix this, go to the top menu and click on GIMP icon, then select keyboard shortcuts. In the search box, type clear. You'll see the clear command listed here. Click on the shortcut field, then press a different key, or reassign the delete or backspace key. Click OK, go back to your image, select the area again, and press the assigned key. Now it works perfectly. Your delete key issue in GIMP is fixed.